Hello everyone, it's Shravya again, and today I'm going to show you a cool program in which the sprite will ask fun questions, and if you answer correctly, you can score points. In this mini-game, I'm going to use the concepts we discussed in previous videos and introduce the new blocks, sensing, operators, and variables. Using sensing blocks, the program can detect the actions on the computer. Operator blocks are used to do different calculations. Variables are used to store information in the program. So to start with, we need an event block. Let's use the one that says when space key pressed. Next, we need to create the score. To do this, go to the variable section by clicking on the dark orange circle. There is already a variable here, so let's just rename it. Right-click on the dark orange circle saying My Variable and click Rename Variable. Let's rename it to Score. Click OK and then tick the box next to the score. This is so that the score is visible on the stage. Underneath our event block, we need the block Set Score to 0. This block will tell the sprite to reset the score when the game starts. Now let's get the sprite to ask some questions. For this, we need the sensing block. Ask what's your name and wait. This block will instruct the sprite to ask a question and allow the person answering the question to type in an answer. I'm going to do a simple times tables quiz, but you could do anything you like. My first question is going to be, what is 6 times 8? Next, we need the control block, if then else, to check the answer and calculate the score. Now we need the operator block. To get one, click on the green circle and then find the green hexagon with equals 50 written on it and drag it over to your code. Next, we need to go back to the sensing blocks and find the blue oval with answer written on it. Then drag it over to the first white circle. Then you need to change the answer in the second white circle to the answer of your question. My answer is 48. Next, we need to tell the sprite to say well done or no, the correct answer was. For this, we need the looks block. Say hello for 2 seconds. We need to drag one into the top bracket and one into the bottom. In the top bracket, I'm going to say well done. If they get the question wrong, then my sprite is going to say, no, the answer was 48. This needs to be typed into the bottom bracket. You can change these to whatever you want. After that, we need to tell the sprite that if the question is answered correctly, to increase the score by 1. To do this, we need to go back to the variables blocks and drag the block change score by 1 into the first bracket. Now, let's duplicate the code so that the sprite asks multiple questions and increases the score each time a question is answered correctly. Finally, we need to change each of the codes so that they are all different questions. Now that I've changed all the questions, I'm going to have a go at playing my game. 6 times 8 is 48. Press the tick button once you've answered the question. 7 times 4 is 28. Notice every time I get the question right, my score will increase by 1. 3 times 11 is 33. And that's all my questions. I hope you all enjoyed this program and have fun creating your own quizzes. I'll be back soon. Bye!